Days since I uploaded a video talking about the SPX500. So it's getting really interesting right now. Let's go ahead and indexes right now. Let's go ahead and check and see. So the SPY is down 77 points. NASDAQ 277. Wow, SP 81% down 2.79. The Dow Jones down 568%. Now let's go ahead and let's look at the technicals and let's see what's going on. So it's been very interesting looking at the S&P 500. Remember when we had that rising wedge right there? It is finally broken down, and this might be the move that we're looking for to come back down to that 22 level right there. So if we go ahead and we look at this on the weekly time frame, we can go ahead and see that this week the Bulls had a lot of control towards the beginning of the week, and then Thursday, Friday, and then of course today dropping 80 points. We now have a bearish hammer on the top of the cloud, and a couple things that I want to point out as well as this. Taking a look at the cloud, it's starting to really build on selling pressure. There's a lot of selling volume coming in, but this bearish hammer right here is what's scariest of them all. You know, if you are long SPY, you want to be very, very careful right here because price failed to break above the cloud while the lagging span was already broken out, validating that breakout. But since this week, you know, the bears seem to take control over the bulls. Next week, it would not surprise me, you know, to retest this 2.6 level and then eventually come right back down. I mean, that's exactly what we're looking at right here. If we go ahead and throw zigzag on, this is pretty much what we're looking at. That first low, everyone thinks, okay, you know what, the market's going to go back up, the market's going to rally, everyone's feeling safe, confident, and then we might come back down to double bottom down there. That's the play. You know, I could be 100% wrong on this, but we're just going off of pure technicals right now.